this thrift store is closing tomorrow. So I'm like, maybe they'll have stuff in here. I've already like cleaned and washed the stuff, so I'm just gonna pull it and then just show you what I got from the thrift store recently. And yeah, okay. So the first thing I got was this cream sweater or tan sweater. I'm not really a sweater person, but it was 25 cents, and I just feel like it was kind of flattering. It looked kind of cute. Just please excuse these ugly jeans that I chose to wear during this fitting. They're hideous. I understand. They usually don't show in the top, but yeah. It's cool. I have to find the right kind of bra and stuff like that. But yeah, for if I need to look a little dressier, casual for work or something, it'll work. Babe was trying to help me fix whatever because my boobies were all over the place. But yeah, I'm pretty sure this one's Fashion Nova. But yeah. Another sweater I got, it's a really good material. It's like off-white. I love the swoop of the neck. I don't know what kind of swoop it is, but I just thought it was really cute. Maybe it's a sweetheart. I don't know. It's actually a bodysuit. So, sweater material bodysuit. I thought it was really cute, especially for 25 cents. Like I said, I'm not really a sweater person, but I will wear one if need be. Especially if I needed something a little dressier, dressy casual or whatever. Simple but cute, and I did like that it was a bodysuit. I like bodysuits though, for the most part. But yeah, I just thought it was cute.
Oh, you take it off?
The next, so many clips of this sweater. Hold on. Okay, the next is this cute blush, simple, like universal thread, basic top. It's Target brand. I'm pretty sure the quality feels great. I don't really wear this color, but I mean, it looked kind of good on me, and plus it was 25 cents. Very soft, very comfy, so I got it. This next shirt is basic. I'm pretty sure it's no boundaries, which means it's Walmart. The material felt nice though. Yeah, and remember, 25 cents. And so I grabbed it. I like it though. I think it's fall. I think it's very fall. I like that my boobs were covered, because I got big boobs and it doesn't take much for them to come out in like a low shirt. Oh, this is another sweater jacket thing. It's kind of small, but the material was nice, so I got it. I don't remember the brand, but very cozy, and the color was cute. It's not really a color that I usually go for, but I liked how simple it was, and I feel like it'd be easy to match with things. So yeah, that's all about that. Okay, zipper works. Okay, more of the sweater. I don't know why, but details. Okay, this is just like a sports top, I'm pretty sure, but I love how it felt. I think the brand is like Hero Biker or something like that, but it felt so good, like soft, stretchy, and I liked how like crisp and clean it looked. So I definitely got that for a basic, because basics are essential, and I don't feel like you can have too many. But yeah, I just like the nice white. I like the stretch. I like the feel of the material. Same with the shirt. I think this is Academy's brand, like BCG or whatever.
BCG, I think.
I got it though because it was just regular. Now this tank top really disappointed me, like the cut. And this is like a 2X, I'm pretty sure. I don't know. I don't know. I was excited too because I thought it was going to be like a regular racerback, but 25 cents, it's okay. My sister Mike can wear it. I love this one. I love the cut of this tank top. I love how this tank top feels. I'm pretty sure it's Ann Taylor Loft. I think you can find that at like Belk or JCPenney's, but 25 cents. This is an Old Navy tank top that was, it's okay. I look a little, I don't know. It's okay though. I love the slinkiness of it. That's probably why I grabbed it. This was a Target brand, I'm pretty sure. The color is not something I usually go for, but the color looked nice on me, and I like the cut of it. It's cute. Yeah, so cute for fall, cute for summer. I liked it a lot. This quality, ooh, it's Chico's. I don't know if you've heard of Chico's before, but I'm pretty sure it was just like this, like, I don't know, really like probably kind of expensive store. I don't know. I feel like they're popular in the South, but yeah, the quality of that shirt was amazing. And another thing that's amazing is this tank top. I love these tank tops. I love regular cheap tank tops though. I don't know the brand. I know it's too small, but I know I'm also going to still wear it because I just love the fit of it. This is a Hanes pullover or what are these called? Crew necks. Hanes crew neck, very comfy. I got it because it was oversized and because I like to be cozy. The color is, I don't know, bluish, grayish. I was trying to show you the tag because I thought it was my comfort color crew neck, but it wasn't. This is one of the comfort color ones. If you don't know what comfort color is, it's just like, yeah, I guess it is like a brand with a certain colorway, but I can't remember what brand creates it. But anywho, they just make all those like dusty, ashy color, like material stuff. This is another comfort color, crew neck. 25 cents, 25 cents. These things are expensive in stores, especially stores like Hibbett's, Dick's, like stuff that's like there's usually like apparel wear, I guess you could say. They're usually expensive though, and the quality is nice. All right, I got this because it was 25 cents. Everything I got, it's just hard. It's just easier to pick up things. It's like hard to not pick up something when it's 25 cents. So I just got this coat. Don't know if I'm gonna wear it. I'm gonna try to wear it because I think the like hoodie and trench coat look is cute. But here's another coat. Again, 25 cents, black. I don't know. It kind of looks funny right there in that video. If I have the right jacket on with it, it'll be okay. And the jacket underneath that I tried on with it, I also got for 25 cents. I think it's Ozark Trail. It just feels like cool quality. Like, I don't know. Nice hoodie. I love a nice, worn, cozy hoodie, though. Oh, and this is just some, like, work jacket, I think. I got it because it looks like it would, like, fit like a bomber jacket. But it's not really giving bomber jacket. Real quick, I just wanted to show the stuff that I did not try on. And I thought that I didn't try this stuff on because I was gonna like, because it didn't fit me, and I was just gonna like pass it on to my sister or my cousin or somebody like that. But a lot of the stuff I didn't try on because I was simply too lazy. So let me just show you real fast what they are. So this is a True Grit vest or whatever. This was also 25 cents. This can retail for like $100, I think. It used to be like really popular where I'm from. Like I'm from the South. Like I went to high school in a very small like city, and True Grit used to be really popular. The white people used to love them. Okay, these are some Old Navy yoga pants. I'm gonna give these to my sister because they're large and I need like extra larges and stuff like that. So yeah, Old Navy, just regular flare bottom pants. I got these starter sweatpants. Super cute. I got these for me. They're too short, but it's okay. I love like when there's like a monochrome embroider on something. Like I don't know. I like that. I got these. I should have tried these on, but they're these Under Armour like leggings. Super stretchy. Good material. And yeah. 25 cents along with everything else. I know why I didn't try this on because it's like a titty top. Like I'm pretty sure it's a breastfeeding thing because this comes undone and then it's just like this hole. But I got it for the stretch and the comfort and the 25 cent. That's about it. This bodysuit. It's American Apparel. I've heard of it before, but I'm not like familiar with the brand and stuff like that. But this is bodysuit. I'm gonna see if my sister can fit it. It's just this chocolate color. It's cute. This is just a regular like almost turtleneck or whatever. I just felt like just cute little regular top. Cool material. And then this t-shirt. I just got this because it was 25 cents and I love an embroidered black tee. I love a black tee from the thrift store because usually they're like a heavy duty brand or whatever. So that's why I got this. But yeah, I already recorded this. I was a little upset it got deleted, but it was nothing to just redo it. So that's it.